Okay, it's great to be back once more. We have just concluded the use of if function and nested if function. Now we want to look at how to use Vlookup in searching for data in a particular column, in a particular worksheet, or in a different workbook, and returning value for that data as we desire in another worksheet where we want our results to be displayed. So how do we do this? We are using set of data provided in exercise 13. So download your exercise 13, exercise 11 worksheet, as that is what we'll be using. I've already downloaded mine and open it. So this is our data. It's a product data which consists of product details and of course the amount that the product is sold. So the first thing that we want to do is to look for the amount that each product was sold in this set of data and return the value in this set of data. So mind you guys, anything we are doing in this single worksheet can be done in different worksheets and can also be done in different workbook. So let's start this. Let's go to the amount tool. So to get the amount that these products were sold, we say equal to Vlookup. Now, the first thing is, what is the value that will form the basis for looking up the desired value? So the value is product number. So I say a comma. So that means that product number is like the primary key, is like the channel that we are using to trace the desired data that we want to return its value. So product number, which is in cell L2, A2, then I say comma. Then what is the range of data where the value will be searched or looked for? So I select this entire range of data where I want the value to be looked for. Then I say comma. Now, where is the value that I want to be returned as a return value? I want the amount sold. Now, the amount sold is in which column number? This is column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, 5, 6, and 7. So it's in column 7. So I put 7. So the value I'm expecting to be returned there is 7. So I say comma again. Now, my return value, do I want it exact match at the source or close to? I want an exact match, so I say false. So if I know that my set of data does not have an exact match, but a related match, then I can use true in this scenario so that the related match will be picked since there is no absolute match. But once you use false, an absolute value is what will be returned. So I say enter. And there I have it, the amount for the product P1001, which is 215336. Now I can populate this function for the rest of the product that I have on my list. And there you have it. I have all the lists generated. So that is how you look up a value from different sets of data. Let's also look at another scenario. Let's say I have a different worksheet or a workbook, and I want to generate the data from another workbook or another worksheet. So let me come here. This time around, I want to generate a product list from the set of data that has been provided in another worksheet or another workbook. So as usual, I'll say equal to Vlookup. Open the bracket. Now, what is the lookup value? Now, the lookup value, I go to the worksheet or workbook that has the data. I select the lookup value, in which, in this case, I will still use the product number. I say comma. Now, where is the range of data where you want to search for the value to be returned? I select the range of data. Then I say comma. Now, what value do I want to be returned? The value I want to be returned is a product list, that is available products. And available product is in column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Available product is in column 5. So after my comma, I put 5, comma again. Then I want an absolute value return. So I say false. Close the bracket, press enter. So there I have available products, television. I can drag down to see the list of all other available products for sale. So there you have the list. So guys, this is how to use Vlookup in its simpler form, no edit. Now the principle that we have used can be applied if we want to look for value in another worksheet or another workbook, which can serve as a database and a source of data. And we can now use Vlookup to look for values in the database, in the set of data, to now return our desired value in the worksheet that we want to use for presentation. Alright guys, the next class we'll be looking at X lookup. See you in the next class.